Well, we dried out just a little bit, and it felt different out there tonight.
It really did. And I heard about some pests that you warned us about were doing their thing.
I got several emails and a couple of tweets. People saying, oh, the bugs were active. I'd mentioned that earlier. Anytime you get a wet period and then a little dryness, boom, out they come. And boy, they were everywhere tonight. But they're settling down now, and I'm glad you're with us for the temperatures. As we went from the 80s and 70s earlier, we've cooled off slowly, but into the 60s a couple of spots, especially Statesboro, Hinesville there at 68. But we're at 72 degrees right now officially in Savannah. We're here at 77 at WTOC with our 73% relative humidity. That can be kind of hot and sticky. Pressure is pretty much normal. High today was 78. 18/100ths of an inch of precipitation here on Chatham Parkway, but officially at the airport, just 2/100ths of an inch. We saw some heavier amounts elsewhere. We're still in a surplus, though, and we'd like to see some more rain. A slight band of showers here that's trying to work its way northward. Kind of looks like it's raining itself out. We think Richmond Hill may see a shower or two, 17 up to 144. That should be just about it. And as these showers move along, here's the bigger area of showers, even some embedded thunderstorms, flooding rains across Florida. They've got another wave coming tomorrow because that's where the front is stuck and that's where the heaviest rain will be. In the last 24 hours, though, we've seen quite a bit of rain. In fact, after our morning showers this morning that interrupted Dawn's walk, everybody else was in pretty good shape. But it's, you know, you deal with the showers first thing in the morning, especially with the morning commute. That can be a problem. Storm reports, got lots of hail reports. I point these out here in Texas, Louisiana. This is where our weather is going to be coming from, and we need to watch carefully how that develops. Blue is dry. The beige or coral is wet, and watch how by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, that moisture starts to flow back into Georgia and will be affecting the end of our weekend. We'll be under the blue to start the weekend. The big blue H is in charge over Knoxville by Friday. Pushing offshore, though, as we go through the day Saturday, that's going to open the door for this moisture to slide in our direction. What we hoped would be a great weekend now looks like just the first half of the weekend will be great indeed. Next high tide, 11:45. No coastal flood advisories for us tonight. Tide's just a little bit lower. We're getting later in the tide cycle. Look at your sunrise tomorrow morning at 6:18. First alert, Doppler Max 11 forecast then for tonight. That slight chance of showers south of town. Not much. Everybody else will be partly cloudy. 65 for a low this evening. Tomorrow, partly cloudy. High of 86 with the east wind, though, will be cooler on the islands. Be prepared for that. 86 Savannah, 65 tomorrow night. 88 Savannah on Saturday. 86 Savannah on Sunday with that chance of showers and thunderstorms we think late in the day. We'll watch how that times out. And better chances of showers and thunderstorms once we get into the new work week. We'll watch that very carefully as we go along. And for the weekend, tour of Tybee Homes is this weekend. Lots of activities. There's garage sales everywhere this weekend. It's a summer fun weekend. Whatever you got planned, follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather and have a great day tomorrow.
Thanks a lot, John.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, there are a couple of